Easy night, I'm feeling light. Nothing really feels too tight. Every second drifting slow, like a place I used to know. Easy night, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. Rain is tapping on the glass, watching all the moments pass. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Easy night, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. No more rushing, no more noise, just the sound that I enjoy. Every quiet melody feels like where I want to be. Easy night, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. Stay right here, don't move too fast. Let this feeling slowly last. Every second feels so right in this calm and quiet night. Stay in this mood tonight. Everything just feels so light. Every rhythm soft and smooth. I just wanna stay in this mood. Rain is dancing on the glass. Moments slowly start to pass. Every little sound I hear brings me closer to right here. Stay in this mood tonight. Everything just feels so light. Every rhythm soft and smooth. I just wanna stay in this mood. Nothing heavy, nothing deep, just a calm I wanna keep. Every quiet melody feels like home inside of me. Stay in this mood tonight. Everything just feels so light. Every rhythm soft and smooth. I just wanna stay in this mood. tone feels like something I have known. Soft city lights tonight, everything just feels so right. Every rhythm calm and free, feels like it was made for me. Nothing rushing, nothing loud, just a moment in the crowd. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Soft city lights tonight, everything just feels so right. Every rhythm calm and free, feels like it was made for me. Let it rain, I don't mind. Leave it all a bit behind. Every drop just feels so right in this calm and quiet night. Let it rain, let it flow everywhere I need to go. Every rhythm soft and slow feels like something I should know. City breathing far away, fading into shades of gray. Every little passing tone feels like something of my own. Let it rain, let it flow everywhere I need to go. Every rhythm soft and slow feels like something I should know. Nothing heavy on my mind, just a calm I finally find. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Let it rain, let it flow everywhere I need to go. Every rhythm soft and slow feels like something I should know. Night feels easy on my mind, leaving all the stress behind. Every second drifting slow, like a place I used to know. Night feels easy, let it flow, taking me where I can go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. City lights begin to glow through the rain I barely know. Every little passing tone feels like something of my own. Night feels easy, let it flow, taking me where I can go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. No more rushing, no more noise, just the sound that I enjoy. Every quiet melody feels like where I wanna be. Night feels easy, let it flow, taking me where I can go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. Calm thoughts running through my head. Nothing more and nothing less. Every moment feels so light in this soft and easy night. Calm thoughts drifting slow. Everywhere I wanna go. Every rhythm feels so right in this quiet, rainy night. Rain is tapping on the glass, watching all the moments pass. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Calm thoughts drifting slow. Everywhere I wanna go. Every rhythm feels so right in this quiet, rainy night. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just a moment in the cloud. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Calm thoughts drifting slow. Everywhere I wanna go. Every rhythm feels so right in this quiet, rainy night. Rainy flow inside my head. Every word I never said. Every drop begins to fall like a soft and quiet call. Rainy flow, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow. Feels like somewhere I can go. Window covered up with rain, tracing lines again and again. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Rainy flow, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow. Feels like somewhere I can go. Nothing heavy on my mind, just a calm I finally find. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Rainy flow, just let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow. Feels like somewhere I can go. Keep it slow, don't rush. Tonight everything just feels alright. Every second moving soft, like a calm I never lost. Keep it slow, let it flow. Take me where I wanna go. Every tapping on the glass, watching all the moments pass. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Keep it slow, let it flow, take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm smooth and light in this calm and quiet night. Yeah. No more rushing, no more noise, just the sound that I enjoy. Every quiet melody feels like where I wanna be. Keep it slow, let it flow, take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm smooth and light in this calm and quiet night. Light mood filling up the room, rain is playing like a tune. Every second feels so right in this calm and easy night. Light mood, let it flow, take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. City lights begin to glow through the rain, I barely know. Every little passing tone feels like something of my own. Light mood, let it flow, take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. No more rushing, no more noise, just the sound that I enjoy. Every quiet melody feels like where I want to be. Light mood, let it flow, take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and true, feels like something fresh and new. Just tonight I feel this way, letting all my thoughts just stay. Every second drifting slow, like a place I want to go. Just tonight I let it go. Everything I used to hold, every rhythm soft and free, feels like it belongs to me. Rain is falling soft outside, city breathing in the night. Every little passing tone feels like something I have known. Just tonight I let it go. Everything I used to hold, every rhythm soft and free, feels like it belongs to me. Nothing heavy, nothing deep, just the calm I wanna keep. Every quiet melody feels like home inside of me. Just tonight I let it go. Everything I used to hold, every rhythm soft and free, feel feels like it belongs to me. Rain comfort in the air. Everything feels light and fair. Every drop begins to fall, like a soft and quiet call. Rain comfort, let it stay. Take the heavy things away. Every rhythm smooth and slow feels like somewhere I can go. Window covered up with rain, tracing lines again and again. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Rain comfort, let it stay. Take the heavy things away. Every rhythm smooth and slow feels like somewhere I can go. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just a moment in the cloud. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Rain comfort, let it stay. Take the heavy things away. Every rhythm smooth and slow feels like somewhere I can go. Simple night, I feel okay, letting all my thoughts just stay. Every moment soft and slow, like a place I wanna go. Simple night, nothing more, everything I'm looking for. Every rhythm calm and free, feels like it was made for me. Feels like it was made for me. City lights begin to glow through the rain, I barely know. Every little passing tone feels like something of my own. Simple night, nothing more, everything I'm looking for. Every rhythm calm and free, feels like it was made for me. Nothing heavy on my mind, just a calm I finally find. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Simple night, nothing more, everything I'm looking for. Every rhythm calm and free, feels like it was made for me.
Stay calm tonight, just breathe. Nothing more that I need. calm, let it flow. Take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and free, feels like it belongs to me. Rain is falling soft outside, city breathing in the night. Every little passing tone feels like something I have known. Stay calm, let it flow. Take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and free, feels like it belongs to me. Nothing heavy, nothing deep, just a calm I wanna keep. Every quiet melody feels like home inside of me. Stay calm, let it flow. Take me where I wanna go. Every rhythm soft and free, feels like it belongs to me.
Rain breeze coming through the night. Everything just feels so light. Every second drifting slow, like a place I want to go. Rain breeze, let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow, feels like somewhere I can go. Window covered up with rain, tracing lines again and again. Every little sound I hear feels like everything is clear. Rain breeze, let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow, feels like somewhere I can go. Nothing heavy on my mind, just a calm I finally find. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Rain breeze, let it be. Nothing pulling hard on me. Every rhythm smooth and slow, feels like somewhere I can go. Neon lines across the rain, blurring out the city frame. Every color fades to blue, like a dream I wander through. Street reflections moving slow, telling things I used to know. Every light begins to bend, like a story with no end. I don't need to run away, I just let it drift and stay. Neon rain, it pulls me in, like a quiet second skin. Every moment softly flows into into somewhere no one knows. Footsteps echo down below in a rhythm soft and low. Every sound begins to blend with the night that never ends. Raindrops racing down the glass, watching all the moments pass. Every second feels so wide, like a calm I cannot hide. Neon rain, it pulls me in, like a quiet second skin. Every moment softly flows into somewhere no one knows. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a feeling built to last. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Neon rain, it pulls me in, like a quiet second skin. Every moment softly flows into somewhere no one knows. Blue hours sitting by the glass, watching all the colors pass. Day and night begin to fade into something gently made. Sky is turning soft and low, like a place I used to know. Every shadow starts to blend, like a story with no end. Blue hour falling into me, somewhere I don't need to be. Every rhythm soft and wide, like the calm I keep inside. City breathing far away, moving into shades of gray. Every light begins to glow in a way I didn't know. Raindrops slowly disappear, leaving something quiet here. Every second feels so still, like I finally found my will. Blue hour falling into me, somewhere I don't need to be. Every rhythm soft and wide, like the calm I keep inside. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just a moment in a cloud. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Blue hour falling into me, somewhere I don't need to be. Every rhythm soft and wide, like the calm I keep inside. We don't speak, but something stays in the silence, in the space. Every breath just fills the room, like a soft and quiet tune. Words are floating in my mind, things I never said in time. Every pause we left behind still comes back in different lines. Slow conversation in my head, every word I never said. Every moment drop becomes a sign of the place we left behind. Lights are fading through the gray, taking all the noise away. Every second drifting slow, like a place I used to know. Slow conversation in my head. Every word I never said. Every moment passing through feels like I'm still close to you. Maybe we don't need to speak in the quiet, in the weak. Every little melody says enough for you and me. Slow conversation in my head. Every word I never said. Every moment passing through feels like I'm still close to you.
No rush tonight, I'm taking time. Let the silence draw the line. Every second breathing slow, like a place I wanna go. Rain is falling through the air, like it doesn't even care. Every drop just hits the ground in a soft and distant sound. No rush, I just let it flow. Everything I used to know. Every rhythm taking time, like a soft and steady line. Lights are fading down the street, moving gently with the beat. Every moment feels so wide, like I've got no need to hide. Nothing pulling me away from this quiet place I stay. Every little passing tone feels like something I have known. No rush, I just let it flow. Everything I used to know. Every rhythm taking time, like a soft and steady line. No more running, no more noise, just the sound that I enjoy. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. No rush, I just let it flow. Everything I used to know. Every rhythm taking time, like a soft and steady line.
Still in the rain tonight. Everything just feels alright. Every second drifting slow, like a place I wanna go. Still in the rain I stay. Let the world just fade away. Night is slowly turning gray, taking all the dark away. Every shadow starts to fade into something gently made. Raindrops barely on the glass, like they know they shouldn't last. Every second moving on, like the night is almost gone. I don't need to hold it tight. Let it drift into the light. Almost gone, I feel it now. Everything just settles down. Every rhythm turning light, fading softly into night. City waking far below, moving soft and moving slow. Every light begins to rise into pale and open skies. Quiet air begins to stay, washing all the noise away. Every breath I take feels new, like I'm starting something true. Almost gone, I feel it now. Everything just settles down. Every rhythm turning light, fading softly into night. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just a fading distant cloud. Every quiet melody feels like where I'm meant to be. Almost gone, I feel it now. Everything just settles down. Every rhythm turning light, fading softly into night. Soft goodbye and falling rain, nothing left to hold again. Every drop just slips away, like the words I couldn't say. Windows slowly drying clear, morning drawing softly near. Every shadow bends and breaks with each quiet breath it takes. Goodbye rain, you fade so slow, taking things I used to know. Every rhythm turning light, disappearing into night. Footsteps echo far away, carried into early day. Every sound begins to change, nothing now feels quite the same. Raindrops fading from the sky, leaving space to breathe and try. Every second feels so wide, like a calm I keep inside. Goodbye rain, you fade so slow, taking things I used to know. Every rhythm turning light, disappearing into night. slow, taking things I used to know. Every rhythm turning light, disappearing into night.
Yeah. First light touching empty streets, soft and calm, incomplete. Every color coming through feels a little more like new. Sky is opening up slow, letting quiet moments grow. Every second feels so real, like a gentle kind of heal. First light, I feel it now. Everything just fades somehow. Every rhythm soft and clear, bringing something close and near. Rain has finally gone away, leaving traces on the day. Every little passing tone feels like something I have known. Breathing in the morning air, nothing heavy left to bear. Every step I take now feels like a quiet kind of real. First light, I feel it now. Everything just fades somehow. Every rhythm soft and clear, bringing something close and near. No more noise, no more night, only calm and open light. Every quiet melody turns to something new for me. First light, I feel it now. Everything just fades somehow. Every rhythm soft and clear, bringing something close and near.
After everything is still, after time has had its fill, every moment settles down without needing any sound. All the noise is far behind, leaving quiet in my mind. Every breath I take feels wide, like a calm I can't deny. After everything I stay in this soft and open day. Every rhythm fades so light, like the end of gentle night. City waking into light, leaving all the quiet night. Every shadow disappears, taking with it all my fears. Nothing left to pull me back from this simple, steady track. Every second feels so free, like it finally belongs to me. After everything I stay in this soft and open day. Every rhythm fades so light, like the end of gentle night. No more holding on to past, let the quiet always last. Every little melody feels like home inside of me. After everything I stay in this soft and open day. Every said. Every drop just feels the same, like a soft and endless rain. Night loop going round and round, lost inside this gentle sound. Every rhythm smooth and slow, taking me where I can go. City lights begin to glow through the rain. I barely know. Every little passing tone feels like something of my own. Night loop going round and round, lost inside this gentle sound. Every rhythm smooth and slow, taking me where I can go. Nothing heavy, nothing loud, just a moment in the cloud. Every quiet melody